Attention Honda CRV owners, if your brake light isn't working, this one's for you. Stay safe and save money with these easy steps. Let's dive in. First, make sure your car is turned off and parked. Pop open your trunk and look for the brake light housing. It's usually behind a small panel. Open that panel and you'll see the back of the brake light. Next, find the bulb holder. It's the part that connects right into the light. Twist it gently to unlock, then pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb. It might take a little wiggle. Now, check the bulb. If the wire inside looks broken or burned, it's time for a new one. Take the old bulb to an auto parts store to make sure you get the right match. Pop the new bulb into the holder, making sure it's snug. Slide the holder back into the housing, then twist to lock it in place. Close the panel. Finally, test your brake light. Ask a friend to step on the brake while you watch, or use a reflection to check yourself. If it still doesn't work, it might be a fuse. Check your owner's manual for the fuse box location and replace the brake light fuse if needed. And that's it. You're back on the road, safer than ever. Subscribe for more simple car fixes you can do yourself.